Hello everyone and welcome back to The Perfect French with Dylan. Today on this grammar lesson we're gonna learn about the verbs être et avoir, to be and to have. We're also gonna see the conjugation on the present tense, le présent de l'indicatif, and also the differences between English and French, because we don't use être et avoir the same way for a few different things. That's gonna be at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. But first, you can go to my website, theperfectfrench.com, to grab the PDF related to this lesson to study and review whenever you feel like you need to. You can also subscribe to the newsletter, so you get 2 emails per week with 2 lessons each time, so 4 lessons a week right in your emails. First, a quick reminder about les pronoms sujets. So we have je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il, elle. For the conjugation, first I'm gonna show you only the verb and the subject pronoun, and then after that I'm gonna give you example for each one. Let's start with être, to be. The first one, je suis. Je suis. Tu es. Tu es. Il est. Il est. Elle est. Elle est. On est. On est. Don't forget to make the link here, because on ends with n, a consonant, et est start with e, une voyelle. So on est. On est. Nous sommes. Nous sommes. Vous êtes. Vous êtes. Ils sont. Ils sont. So we don't pronounce the T at the end. Elles sont. Elles sont. Now let's have a look at some examples. Je suis une femme. Je suis une femme. Tu es un homme. Tu es un homme. Il est petit. Il est petit. So remember that we don't have a neutral. So il est petit can be a vase, can be anything masculine. Il est petit. Elle est grande. Elle est grande. On est au marché. On est au marché. So remember this one, we use it as we, but we conjugate it as il ou elle. On est au marché. Nous sommes en retard. Nous sommes en retard. Vous êtes étudiant. So here we have a double link. Vous êtes étudiant. Ils sont contents. Ils sont contents. Elles sont tristes. Elles sont tristes. So don't forget that all those examples, you can find them on the PDF on my website. It's free. You just have to download it and you can review. So it's a lot of vocabulary also, even on the grammar lesson. So it's really interesting to have and to keep, so you can read it and review whenever you feel like you need to. Quickly review être. So, je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, on est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. Now, avoir. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, on a, nous avons, vous avez, so liaison, remember, ils ont, elles ont. So let's see some examples. J'ai une réunion. J'ai une réunion. Tu as un chien. Tu as un chien. Il a un chat. Il a un chat. Elle a 2 enfants. Elle a 2 enfants. So here, even though de ends up with a X, we still make the liaison like it was a S. Elle a 2 enfants. On a de l'argent. On a de l'argent. Nous avons de l'eau. Nous avons de l'eau. Vous avez école. Vous avez école. Ils ont un rhume. Ils ont un rhume. Elles ont un cahier. Elles ont un cahier. And a quick reminder for avoir. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, on a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. Now the difference between English and French. There are 3 main ones between être et avoir. I see students do that all the time. So if you want to say you're hungry or you're thirsty, when in English you say I am hungry, which will be in French, je suis faim. Well, we say j'ai faim. J'ai faim. J'ai soif. J'ai soif. I have hungry. I have thirsty. The second big difference is talking about your age, how old you are. In English, you say, I am 31 years old. In French, we're gonna see, j'ai 31 ans. J'ai 31 ans. Also, for the numbers, it's gonna be next Monday, if you're interested about that. It's gonna be numbers between 1 and hundreds. But here, à être et avoir. J'ai 31 ans, so that would be I have 31 years old. And the last big difference is to be cold or to be hot. For example, if you want to say I am cold, we're going to say I have cold. J'ai froid. J'ai froid. Same for hot. J'ai chaud. J'ai chaud. We don't say I am hot. J'ai chaud. So the 3 differences are when you want to talk about if you're hungry, if you're thirsty, about your age, and if you're hot or if you're cold. If you want to learn more about French, I post all those videos a week. You can also connect with me on my Instagram, my Facebook page, and my YouTube channel. You already know it, you're on it. You can also subscribe, like the video, comment if you have any question. I'll be more than happy to answer. And I will see you soon for another lesson.